America's #1 selling travel trailer 13 years running. Introducing the 2019 Jayco J-Flight. The J-Flight's exterior is functional and safe. Jayco's new patent-pending J-Smart LED lighting alerts other travelers of your driving intentions, while the exterior camp kitchen gives you the convenience of prepping meals without tracking a mess inside your camper. With beautiful residential-style seamless countertops, large showers, stainless steel appliances, and abundant natural light, these trailers make you feel right at home. Jayco also boasts the industry's strongest rated bunk beds to accommodate multiple guests while maximizing storage space. With standard American-made Goodyear tires, Dexter axles, rear backup camera prep, and solar prep, it's obvious why J-Flight remains #1. The 2019 Jayco J-Flight, America's best-selling travel trailer.